traders, this is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Our trade of the day was our first entry of the day. Market just took off. We had a long NASDAQ at 75.67, 75.67. You'll see that sucker just went up. Had a target, at 75.67, had a target about 120 ticks up. I said there's no material reason to get out, but if you're looking for a spot, that might be a good area. And then they just went from there. I said if they get above the circle, there's a chance that it can go higher, much higher. News came out on the tariff talks and everything, and we just shot up. This was an 800 tick move, and again, with any reasonable trail, you could see somebody, once you heard about the news, if you had a runner, any reasonable trail you could have stayed in. We did have a material change up here, said we may buy one more time, but we were looking for lower, and we did hit it a couple times. In the NQ here, we got long, made 20 ticks, from the 46 area, and that one up made 20 ticks there. Then we flipped it around. I said if they're not going to go any higher, we'll get short. We got short at 31.75. That trade made almost 40 ticks, down. We had an ES trade here that was either our loser or a break even, depending on which, or potentially could have even been profits if somebody got the lower price. We had people that did all of them, so that was either a winner or a winner or a loser, depending on what entry you took there. And I told everybody that we were up 60 some points at the time. I said, it's you're going to the well. This may be it. So you're either 4-1 or 4-0 or 4-0 and a break even, depending on which you took today. Again, this was the monster trade. And then we got long on the ES again on a ZL, and that made up to 3+ points. It would have been hard to really stay. 19 I call was the best price. Went up 4 points, bounced around there for a while, and eventually held. I said it was an early ZL. Didn't want to get in again, but it did go 3-4 points anyway there. And then again, people in the methodology, if they knew it once it held, could have gotten in on the 1133 candle. But we did not take that. And it did bounce around there. You got to remember, I mean, it's these are big candles. So we are going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we'll see everybody back mañana.